Good evening, everybody. This is Drew. Today, we're going to talk about our toilet. It's ghost flushing. Does that mean that ghosts are going in there and flushing the toilet? No. Ghost flushing means that there's a leak somewhere, and once the water drains to a certain level, it refills back up. This is indicative of there being a leak. So the toilet in question, we're going to go take a look, is a American Standard Champion 4. There's other older models that have a different setup, but we're specifically talking about the American Standard Champion 4. So let's go in and let's take a look, see what we got. So as you can see, well, there could be ghosts on here, you never know, but you're not supposed to see them. But in this case, here's our American Standard Champion 4. So one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to shut off the water, and the water valve is located here at the bottom against the wall. And so we'll turn that off. It's hard to see. So basically that's on and that's off. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the lid. So the lid's removed and we need to empty the water that's in the tank. So we'll go ahead and we'll flush it. But because the water's shut off, it won't fill up. Okay, so we have the toilet open, and what we need to do is take off this top piece over here. So we'll go ahead and disassemble that. First thing I'll do is remove it from the chain. And then if you can see here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the bottom piece. There's a rod that goes here, and I'm going to unscrew it and then take off the top. So stand by while I do that. So as you can see, I hold the bottom piece, and then I just unscrew the top. Now this is the seal that's causing the problem. And if we look around, we notice there's a little bubble over here. So we have a new seal. We'll go ahead and replace it. Notice that there's ridges on it. Oh, this bottom piece, this fell out. So that's interesting. So this needs to go back on. So what we'll do is we'll put our seal on, make sure that it's seated all the way around. And then if you see these little dents or pop outs here, they need to go inside of these holes. So we'll carefully place that on so you can see it's in the hole, and then we'll twist. So now they're all the way to the end and it's sealed. And now all we need to do is put this back on. So we'll pull up on the rod again. We'll screw it on. Okay, it's tight. So we had a couple of issues here. We had a bubble in the original seal. We'll put this new seal on. We'll fill up with water. Now, the water knows to stop when it lifts up this float. That's what stops it. So the water level's got to fill up enough so that it starts lifting this up to stop it. You see it lifting up now with the water level. Now it's stopped. I'm not hearing any leaks. Let's check our flush. All right, I think we're good. That gets rid of our ghost in the CR. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for any additional items as we come across them within our house. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day.